It's time to celebrate some birthdays and anniversaries. And real quick, just so you know, Derek Walrod, also with the Jasper County Sheriff's Department, so we've had a number of opportunities to talk with him, an excellent person to speak with. Now, we have some excellent birthdays to celebrate. We are beginning with Caitlin Taylor celebrating birthday 10 today. And this comes with love from Mama and Papa.
All right, and we got Trinity Mishna celebrating birthday number 13 this year. Happy birthday to Trinity in Lamar.
And we've got Braden Wade celebrating birthday number 14 in Baxter Springs. Very happy birthday to you. And hey, hold up. We got a twin here, Bradley Wade, also celebrating birthday number 14 in Baxter. A very happy double birthday to the two of you.
All right, Lily Hamilton, we're announcing her birthday today, but it was actually yesterday, which makes 16 her golden birthday, October 16th. Happy birthday, Lily.
And we also have Madeline Wall celebrating birthday number 22 in Minden Mines. A very happy birthday to you, Madeline.
All right, and in Jasper, Missouri, Clayton Richardson celebrating number 25 this year. Hope it's a great one.
And we've got Kylie Gifford celebrating birthday number 29 in the beautiful community of Humboldt. A very happy birthday to you, Kylie.
And in Thayer, Brett Thornton turning 32 years old this year. Happy birthday, Brett.
And our birthday list continues, with somebody I recognize all too well. My older sister, Summer Smith, celebrating her birthday officially yesterday. I did not realize that she was turning 47, but now I know this. So a very happy birthday to you yesterday and today and every day. Summer, of course, in Joplin.
Hope she wasn't trying to keep it a secret from you, Chris.
No. She takes after me and my dad. We just don't make that big of a deal out of our birthdays anymore. But I knew it was her birthday yesterday. I just didn't realize she was 47, which also makes me quite old as well these days.
That is so. All right, happy birthday, Summer, and a happy birthday to Dennis Bishop, turning double nickels. All right, I love the throwback pics there. Dennis is 55 in Chanute.
And we head over to Erie, where we've got Marcia Mitchell celebrating birthday number 59. Marcia, very happy birthday to you.
And our birthday list goes on. Sharon Birch is celebrating in the bus at Columbus Party Town. And Charles Burr turning 73 years old in Lamar this year.
And we've got Thelma Hillbrandt celebrating birthday number 87 in Iola. That birthday was on Saturday. So hopefully Thelma's been celebrating all weekend long. Remember, Thelma, you're only as old as you feel. So keep that party going. We've also got Sue Hess celebrating a birthday in Pittsburgh. Brian Fegan celebrating birthday number 40 on Saturday. So a weekend-long celebration for Brian. And then Ryan Fegan, which is Brian's twin brother, celebrating birthday number 40 on Saturday as well. Now, if you've got a birthday or anniversary that you'd like to get to us, Tanya can tell you how.
That's right. All you have to do is email them to us at birthdayswithans@koamtv.com or send them to birthdays@komnewsnow.com.
And if you're visiting our website, which we know you do frequently, take some time and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get some awesome deals from local businesses, and you get a nice birthday message from us here at KOAM. So just go to KOAMnewsnow.com, sign up for that KOAM Birthday Club.